This is the second part of our Jetpack Compose series, and today we're gonna discuss about text fields. And our project is this. This is the login page. So we're gonna create two text fields for the user ID and the password. By the way, this is Tyrone. Okay, let's start. This is the code that the project had generated when we first created the project. So on our main activity, we do have three functions, composable functions with it, which are the Setcontent, the Jetpack compose theme, and the surface composable. So I'm gonna explain it one by one. The Setcontent block defines the activities layout where we call our composable functions. So that means we need to put our code inside of this Setcontent so that the code will be executed. And the next one is the Jetpack compose theme. This function gives a consistent look or feel or design for our app that uses material design. And the third one is the surface composable function, and this one is like using a card view in the old view system of Android. So it just gives the color, the elevation, and shape. So it's like using a card view in Android. So I can show you how to use it. When you run this code on your emulator, you would get a white background for your text. So click on the plus button on the emulator so that you would zoom it in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the color to primary, and then we're gonna add the shape and other modifiers. Okay, let's run this code. So it just basically looks like a card view. So it just adds design on the background of your text. So also for the Jetpack compose theme, if you click on command and then click on it, it would direct you to the theme file, and it would show you the material theme. It'll be on a separate video because you will be overwhelmed. So let's proceed. So we're gonna delete this code, the Jetpack compose theme and the surface, because we don't need it right now. and we need to make the code much simpler as possible. So I'm gonna leave Setcontent because this is where we need to put all of our code in. I'm also gonna remove the composable function, the greeting composable function, and also the code inside our preview. So we're gonna start from scratch. So in Jetpack Compose, there are three types of text fields: the outline text field, the text field, and the basic text field. The outline text field and the text field are almost the same. They use the same modifiers, but the difference is just their appearance. And with the basic text field, the modifiers that it can be used are just limited, and the appearance is the same with the text field. I'll be using an outline text field for our project. So this is how it looks like on the emulator. So you will see type here on the value. However, if you try to type something, it won't show up here. It won't accept it because you need to put a value on the onValue change parameter. So we need to create a variable so we could save the state. This is called the remember composable, and it can store a single object in the memory. Next is we're gonna add a label on the text field. We now have a label on our text field, and when you click on it, it would animate. And you can also change the text in the text field. So this is pretty the basic of the text field, and on the next video I'll be showing keyboard type IME action works, and I'm also going to make the password field. Before I end this video, I want to say a big shout out to Anton, who commented yesterday on my previous video. And if you have questions, just please comment down below, or just say hi. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.